Our next song is called Four Strong Winds. It is from 1961, written by a fellow named Ian Tyson, who was a Canadian singer-songwriter. He wrote this song in 20 minutes for a girl that he was engaged to at the time. And this was a long time ago. Since then, he was married to probably several people, and not to her. So, Four Strong Winds.
Four strong winds that blow on me, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. But our good times all are gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Think I'll go out to Alberta, the weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends I can go working for, but still I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't